You know the answer but not able to communicate it. It is as good as not knowing it. What is an angular velocity of a four-pole synchronous generator? In the case of a four-pole generator, in half a rotation, one cycle of voltage is achieved. In 25 rotations, 50 cycles of voltage are achieved. Thus, 50 Hz voltage is achieved by 25 RPS or 1500 RPM. In general, one cycle of voltage is achieved by one pole pair. Angular velocity in RPS is equal to frequency by number of pole pairs or equal to 2 into frequency by number of poles. Angular velocity in RPM is equal to 120 F by P. Capacitor is an energy storing or energy dissipating element. It is an energy storing element. Energy is stored as charges on metallic plates of a capacitor. One good use of energy storing capability in capacitor is to smoothen the output voltage of a diode bridge. When output voltage is rising, charges are stored in a capacitor. When voltage is falling, energy is released by the capacitor to the load. Thus, the output voltage is smoothened. Capacitance can be expressed as charge per voltage or charge per voltage into time. Q is proportional to V, that is, Q is equal to CV or C is equals to Q by B. Hence, capacitance can be expressed as charge per voltage. At what voltage impulse voltage testing is done on main insulation of a coil? It is carried out by a lightning impulse voltage having front time of 1.2 microsecond and tail time of 50 microsecond. The main insulation of a coil should withstand an impulse voltage of 4 UN plus 5 kV, where UN is a line voltage of electrical machine. In a three dark lamp method of synchronization, at what instance synchronizing switches are pressed? When lamps are dark, it means that voltage difference between generator and grid is zero. Synchronizing switches are pressed when synchronizing lamps are dark, that is, voltage is same across the switch. At what voltage final HP test is done on a partially rewound AC machine? It is done at 1.5 kV, where kV is a rated voltage of electrical machine. SCR high means that direct axis synchronous reactance is high or low. SCR is equal to 1 by X dpu. X dpu is equal to XD by Z. Thus, SCR is inversely proportional to XD. Hence, high SCR means that direct axis synchronous reactance XD is low. In a resistive load, armature reaction is magnetizing, demagnetizing, or cross-magnetizing. In case of a resistive load, armature flux aids main flux on one side and opposes it on the other side. Armature reaction is cross-magnetizing in case of a resistive load. Is it possible to do two-plane balancing in a flexible rotor? In the case of a flexible rotor, when one side of rotor goes up, other side goes down. Two planes are not sufficient to balance the rotor. More balancing planes are required for balancing the rotor. SCR high means that short circuit current is high or low. SCR high means that synchronous reactance excess is low. Thus short circuit current is more in case of high SCR.